Welcome to part 93 of Learn Languages. Today we're tackling English spelling. Even native speakers struggle with this. Let's start with some helpful rules. The classic rule: I before E except after C. Believe, achieve, peace. I before E. Receive, sealing, deceive. E before I after C. But be careful. There are exceptions like weird and science. Adding eining and ed to verbs. If a short verb ends in one vowel plus one consonant, double the consonant. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. If the verb ends in E, drop the E before ing. Make becomes making. Have becomes having. Now the most commonly misspelled words: accommodation, 2 C's and 2 M's. Definitely, not definitely. Necessary, 1 C, 2 S's. Separate, not separate. Receive, E before I after the C. Occurrence, 2 C's and 2 R's. Government, there's an N in the middle. Embarrass, 2 R's and 2 S's. Memory tricks help. Necessary, 1 collar and 2 socks. Accommodation, it accommodates 2 couples. Separate, there's a rat in the middle. Sep-a-rat-e. Good spelling builds trust and credibility. Keep a list of words you regularly get wrong. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.